Good afternoon, everyone. Beautiful saw to show you today. This is one of my Danarm 55s. This is a Danarm Mark 3 right hand. So pull start on the right hand side. They do famously do the LH as well, the left hand variation. So 54 cc's, British saw. Very short manufacturing window for the 55, the Mark 3, only between, I think they list them between 82 and 84, so only 3 years of manufacturing. So this is anywhere between 35 and 37 years old, and they make just under 3 horsepower, can run up to a 21-inch bar. This is running a Sandvik Swedish bar, 20-inch, and full chisel chain in excellent condition. So I wasn't going to cut with it. I've never cut with this saw because it's in just amazing condition, but I'll be cutting some willow today, so I thought I'll take the chance and the opportunity to show people how it cuts, and hopefully it's suitable for one of you guys out there. So it's going up for sale on eBay. It's a vintage collector's item. Takes a few pulls to prime. Other than that, it ticks over beautifully, and I've never cut with it, so today's the first. Everything works, manual oiler, throttle lock, kill switch, choke. Okay, so the chain looks sharp, but the chain is not sharp. So I'm going to give the chain a little 5 or 10 minute sharpen, and I'll come back and resume the video, and we'll see how it cuts once it's been sharpened. All right, bye for now. Hi again, guys. Okay, so spent about 20 minutes touching up the chain, and it looks sharp, but it really wasn't at all. So we shall try it again. Now we have a bit more of an edge on the blade. Kill switch with a throttle lock. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope that does that justice. It cuts really beautiful. Hopefully that's suitable for one of you guys out there. That's one of my Danarm 55 Mark 3s. It's the right hand pull start version. So 54 cc, just under 3 horsepower, running a 20-inch Sandvik bar, now with a sharper chain than it was earlier. Okay, thanks for watching. Any questions, please just ask. Anyone wants to come out and take a look or try the saw, you'd be more than welcome. Bye for now.